Ever wondered why your car isn't running as smoothly as it used to? It might be a simple mistake during your oil change. Let's dive into the most common oil change mistakes and how to avoid them. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Weekly Tools channel. Today, we're going to talk about a crucial car maintenance task, oil changes. While it might seem straightforward, many people make common mistakes that can harm their vehicle's engine. So, let's get started. Common mistakes when changing the oil. The first mistake, ignoring the owner's manual. Every car manufacturer recommends a specific type of oil change interval, and filter type. Disregarding these recommendations can lead to engine damage. The second mistake, using the wrong type of oil. Using the wrong type of oil can severely impact your engine's performance and longevity. Different oils have different viscosity ratings and additives, and using the wrong one can lead to excessive wear and tear. The third mistake, skipping the oil filter change. The oil filter is a vital component of your engine's lubrication system. It traps contaminants and prevents them from circulating in the oil. Skipping the oil filter change can lead to engine damage. The fourth mistake, overfilling or underfilling the oil. Both overfilling and underfilling the oil can have negative consequences. Overfilling can cause excessive pressure in the engine, leading to leaks and seal damage. Underfilling can result in insufficient lubrication, which can lead to premature engine wear. The fifth mistake, neglecting the drain plug washer. The drain plug washer is a small but crucial component that prevents oil leaks. If it's damaged or old, it can lead to oil leaks, which can be a major problem. Avoiding these common oil change mistakes is essential for maintaining your vehicle's health. Remember to consult your owner's manual, use the correct oil type, replace the oil filter, check the oil level, and replace the drain plug washer. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your car's longevity and performance. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more car maintenance tips. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your questions or experiences. Thanks for watching.